hay fever.
hay fever.
Fear?
Fear.
Fever.
Fever. Hair fear.
Hay
Hay
fever.
fear.
Wait. Hay
Hay
fever.
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 Hay
Hay
fever.
fever.
Hay fever.
Hay fear.
Not
Ver.
fear. Yes.
Ver.
Fever.
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 Hay?
Hay fever.
Yes. Yes. Hay
Hay
fever.
fever.
Yes. Very, very good. Asthma.
Asthma.
Yes.
Asthma.
Not әz.mə. Asthma.
Asthma.
Perfect.
Asthma.
Perfect. Cough.
Cough.
Yeah.
Cough.
Cough. Very good. Hiccup.
Hiccup.
Yeah. Hiccup.
Hiccup.
Nausea.
Nausea.
Ja.
Nausea.
Yes.
Nausea.
Yes. Vomit.
Huh?
Vomit.
Vomit.
Ugh. Vomit.
Vomit.
Yeah. It.
It.
Vomit.
Vomit.
Yes. Pain.
Pain.
Yeah. Pain.
Pain.
Severe pain.
So very
Severe.
severe pain.
Yes.
Severe pain.
Yes. Severe pain. Yes. Stabbing pain.
Stabbing pain.
Yeah. Stabbing pain. Stabbing.
Stabbing pain.
Yes. Stabbing
Stabbing
pain.
pain.
Yes. Injury.
Injury.
Very good. Injury.
Injury.
Yes. Cold.
Cold.
Very good. Cold.
Cold.
Switch off.
Switch.
Switch
Switch. Up.
off.
Off. Switch off.
Yes. Switch off.
Switch off.
Yes. Very good. Switch on.
Switch on.
Yes. Switch on.
Switch on.
Yes. Are you almost here?
Are you almost here?
Yeah. Oh, that was so close. Yes. Are you almost here?
Are you almost here? Are you almost here?
One more time.
Almost. Are you almost here?
Yes. That was so good. Yes. I'm stuck in traffic.
I'm not.
I'm stuck in traffic.
I'm stuck in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic.
Yes. I'm stuck in traffic.
I'm stuck in traffic.
That was so good. Yes. Allergy.
Allergy.
Yeah. Allergy.
Allergy.
Perfect. Posture.
Posture.
Yeah. Posture.
Posture.
Getting so good. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you leave me a comment about any words in the video that were really hard for you or any words that you'd like to see in a future video. Have a fantastic week, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.